if you read or watch a lot of mainstream publications, they're going to tell you, don't buy Bitcoin, it's not worth anything. And then this is also true for a lot of hedge fund managers. They're also going to appear on TV and they're going to tell you, don't buy Bitcoin, that's not worth anything, the only an idiot would buy that. You gotta be aware of why are people doing this. They're trying to stop you from buying it. They don't want people to buy crypto because if too many people are buying it, you're pushing up the price, and they don't like that. They want to buy it on the dip. They want you to sell scared. They don't want you to buy, and then they want it so that they have an easier time buying it for themselves. And the truth is, you're not going to learn anything from the mainstream media. They are always playing games with you. You have to always consider their built-in bias that they have, or what motivates them. For instance, a hedge fund manager who appears on TV, do they really care about you losing money? I don't think so. I think that's a really flawed approach. Too many people, they see a hedge fund manager says, oh, this is going to zero. They don't actually think, wait a minute, do hedge fund managers like to appear on TV? Is that part of their job? Are they, in general, altruistic people who are looking out for your benefit? Or is a natural tendency on their part to do anything that's necessary in order to make a greater profit? Now, of course, they want to drive Bitcoin price down so that they can buy it low. Nobody wants to buy high. So you have to always really consider the motivation of some of the people who are telling you to sell, especially the mainstream media, because the mainstream media, it doesn't exist to inform you. The whole point of the media is basically to enrich or empower the elite. So the elite, they want Bitcoin. They don't want you little people buying Bitcoin because it empowers you, and they don't like that. They want you to be serfs. So what they want to do is drive it down. And so they'll tell you, they'll create fear-mongering stories about how Bitcoin has no value. It's just used by fraudsters, crooks, and things like that. And the media, they love creating this headline. The thing is, it's kind of a funny thing because I kind of look at the media from a contrarian point of view. So if the media is super against something like crypto, it's for that reason that I start actually to become a lot more favorably disposed towards it. I actually start to think, this actually seems like there's a lot of legitimacy to it. Like, the louder they scream that this is not worth anything, you shouldn't buy it, I actually ignore it completely, and I want to do the opposite. And I think that that's really the best way to look at the media, especially the hedge funds, because I don't think anybody thinks that they're an objective source of information. They'll do one thing, they'll tell you that the stock is terrible, that you shouldn't buy it, and they're doing that on purpose to drive the price down because they want to buy really, really dirt cheap. I mean, some of these hedge funds can buy some stocks on the cheap sometimes if they get lucky. Now, the same is true with crypto. You have to really consider, you have to really do your own research with the crypto. There's some cryptos that I think that probably are not worth anything, like Dogecoin. That was originally created as a joke, and I mean, yeah, it went from like almost like a penny to 8 cents or something like that. So of course, people make a big deal about that. But you have to think about the ones that are long lasting. The two cryptos that seem to actually be the strongest long term and are the least likely to go to zero in my personal view. But what I know, I'm an idiot though. But in terms of my own view, I think Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think those are the best bets. I mean, you could put some money as well in terms of the more speculative ones like Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin and Cosmos and things like that. But you have to always be aware who's telling you not to buy this. Don't listen to them. The media is a joke nowadays. We don't really even have a media anymore. They kind of just exist to parrot whatever the elite want them to parrot, and there's very little journalism that exists nowadays, so you just have to keep that in mind. I think YouTube, I think that's our form of journalism today, because we have to rely on each other. We have to give each other advice and some original ideas, because we're not going to get that from the mainstream establishment. They exist to enrich the oligarchy, and delete, and that's the way it is. So anyway, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you think of crypto. See you in the next video.